everyone. If you want to change your life, you must first change yourself. You must decide that you are capable of more, that you deserve more, and that you will not let fear, doubt, or failure stop you. Every great success story starts with a single decision, the decision to try, to start, to take that first step. And once you take that step, you must be willing to keep going no matter how hard it gets. My name is Muniba Mazari and I am a motivational speaker. If you find this video fruitful, then you can appreciate me by like and subscribe and start a new journey with me. You can share this message to one who needs it most. The difference between those who succeed and those who stay stuck is simple. Successful people never stop learning. They do not wait for knowledge to come to them, they go after it. Every single day, they make a choice to grow, to expand their minds, and to improve themselves. It is not about having a degree or formal education. It is about the mindset of never settling for what you already know. The world is changing every day, and if you are not learning, you are falling behind. Most people stop learning the moment they finish school. They believe that education is something that ends with a diploma, but the truth is real education begins the moment you take responsibility for your own growth. No one is going to force you to learn. No one is going to hand you success. You have to decide every single day that you will become better than you were yesterday. Imagine two people starting their careers at the same time. One does only what is required, never reads, never seeks knowledge beyond what they are told. The other spends time every day learning something new, reading books, listening to insightful conversations, studying the experiences of those who came before. A year passes. 5 years pass. Who do you think will be further ahead? The answer is obvious. Growth is a daily process. The small things you do every day shape who you become in the future. Learning is not always easy. It takes discipline. It takes effort. Some days you will not feel like reading. Some days you will want to waste time on distractions. But success does not care about how you feel. It only responds to what you do. Even 20 or 30 minutes of dedicated learning each day can transform your mind. Think about it. If you read just 10 pages a day, that is over 3,600 pages a year. That is the knowledge of dozens of books, hundreds of new ideas, and thousands of opportunities to change your life. The world's most successful people have one thing in common. They never stop educating themselves. Whether it is through books, podcasts, mentors, or real-life experiences, they are constantly growing. They know that knowledge is power, but only if it is applied. They do not just collect information, they use it to make better decisions, to create opportunities, and to improve their skills. Some people say, I don't have time to learn. But the truth is, it is not about time. It is about priorities. How much time do you spend on social media, watching pointless videos, or engaging in conversations that do not add value to your life? If you have time for distractions, you have time to educate yourself. Success is not about luck. It is about preparation, and those who prepare are the ones who rise. Learning is not limited to books. It is in the conversations you have, the experiences you go through, the questions you ask, and the way you observe the world. Every situation in life has something to teach you. Every mistake, every failure, every challenge holds a lesson. But you have to be willing to see it. You have to train your mind to look for growth in every moment. Your mind is the most powerful tool you have. But like any tool, it becomes dull if you do not sharpen it. If you do not challenge your thoughts, they become weak. If you do not push yourself to grow, you stay the same. And in a world that is constantly moving forward, staying the same is the same as moving backward. You owe it to yourself to invest in your growth, not for anyone else, not for validation, but for you. Because the more you learn, the more you expand your possibilities. The more you educate yourself, the more doors open for you. And the more you commit to growing every day, the closer you get to becoming the person you were always meant to be. The way you start your morning sets the tone for your entire day. If you wake up feeling tired, scrolling through your phone or rushing through your tasks without a plan, your day will be chaotic and unproductive. But if you wake up with a purpose, with a routine that fuels your mind and body, your entire day transforms. Success does not begin when opportunities come. It begins with the discipline and structure you create in your daily life. And it all starts with a powerful morning routine. Most people live on autopilot. They wake up at the last minute, drag themselves out of bed, and rush through their morning just to survive the day. They do not take time to prepare their minds, to set their goals, or to focus on growth. And then they wonder why they feel stuck, why they never achieve what they truly want. The answer is simple. Success is not built in one big moment. It is built in the small, daily actions that shape your mindset and habits. Your morning is the foundation of your day. If your foundation is weak, everything that follows will be unstable. That is why the most successful people in the world have strict morning routines. They understand that what you do in the first hour of your day determines how you think, how you feel, and how you perform for the rest of the day. Imagine two people waking up at the same time. One hits the snooze button multiple times, checks their phone first thing in the morning, and rushes to get ready without any plan. The other wakes up with intention, spends a few moments in silence, reads something inspiring, moves their body, and sets clear goals for the day. Who do you think will have a more productive, focused, and successful day? The answer is obvious. A powerful morning routine does not have to be complicated. It just needs to be intentional. It should include activities that prepare your mind for growth and success. One of the best ways to start your day is with silence. Taking a few moments to reflect, to be grateful, or to simply breathe. Instead of reaching for your phone and flooding your mind with distractions, give yourself space to focus on what truly matters. Reading is another powerful habit that should be a part of your morning. Even if it is just 10 pages, the knowledge you gain every day compounds over time. Imagine reading a book a month. How much would your mindset and perspective grow in a year? Feeding your mind with positive and valuable information every morning sets you up to think differently and make better decisions throughout the day. Moving your body is just as important. Exercise is not just for fitness, it is for mental clarity, energy, and confidence. Even a short walk, stretching, or a quick workout can make a huge difference in how you feel. When you move your body, you activate your mind. You create momentum. You start your day with strength, and that strength carries into everything you do. Another key part of a morning routine is setting goals. Do not just wake up and let the day happen to you. Decide what you want to achieve. Write down your top 3 priorities. Visualize your success. When you start your day with a clear direction, you are far more likely to stay focused and take action. Your morning routine is your secret weapon. It is a difference between those who control their day and those who let the day control them. It is not about how much time you have. It is about how you use it. Even if you only have 30 minutes in the morning, you can use that time to build habits that change your life. Do not underestimate the power of your mornings. Do not waste them on distractions or meaningless activities. Use them to build discipline, to educate yourself, and to prepare your mind for success. Because how you start your day is how you live your life. The people you surround yourself with determine your mindset, your beliefs, and ultimately, your future. If you spend your time with people who complain, who make excuses, who see problems instead of possibilities, then you will start thinking the same way. But if you surround yourself with knowledge through books, through inspiring conversations, through learning from those who have achieved greatness, then you will start thinking, growing, and living differently. Success is not just about hard work. It is also about what you allow into your mind. Most people do not realize how much their environment affects them. They believe they are making their own choices, but in reality, their decisions are shaped by the voices around them. If you are constantly hearing negativity, doubt, and limitations, then your mind starts to believe it. But if you fill your mind with wisdom, motivation, and ideas that challenge you to grow, then you will rise beyond your circumstances. You do not have to be born into the right environment to succeed. You can create your own environment by choosing what you expose your mind to. Read books that expand your thinking. Listen to speakers who inspire you. Engage in conversations that push you to see life from a higher perspective. You have control over what influences you. The question is, are you choosing influences that build you up or ones that hold you back? There is a reason why successful people are always reading. They understand that knowledge is the key to transformation. A single idea from a book can change the way you see your challenges. A single conversation with the right person can shift your entire perspective. The more you learn, the more options you create for yourself. Ignorance keeps you stuck, but knowledge gives you the power to move forward. But it is not just about reading, it is about application. Knowledge alone will not change your life. You have to use what you learn. If you read about discipline but do not practice it, if you listen to motivation but do not take action, then it means nothing. Every piece of knowledge you gain should be followed by a step forward. Look at your circle. Are the people around you pushing you to be better? Are they challenging you to grow, to think bigger, to take action? Are they comfortable in their limitations and dragging you down with them? The truth is, you do not need to cut people out of your life, but you do need to be intentional about who you give the most space to. If the people closest to you are not helping you grow, then make sure you are surrounding yourself with knowledge that does. The great thing about today's world is that knowledge is everywhere. You do not need to be in a university or have a mentor by your side to learn. The internet has made it possible to learn from the greatest minds in history, from the most successful people in every industry. If you want to grow, all you have to do is seek it out. Listen to interviews, study biographies, find role models who have already achieved what you want. Success leaves clues. And if you are paying attention, you can follow the path they have created. Your time is your most valuable resource. Do not waste it on meaningless conversations, pointless entertainment, or people who do not support your growth. Instead, invest it in knowledge. Choose books over gossip. Choose learning over complaining. Choose growth over comfort. Your future depends on the choices you make today. Surround yourself with knowledge and you will start to think differently. You will start to believe differently. And once you believe in your ability to grow, nothing can stop you. Because the mind that is constantly learning is the mind that is constantly evolving, and evolution leads to success. Every challenge in life carries a lesson. Every failure, every struggle, every setback is trying to teach you something. But the question is, are you willing to learn? Most people see challenges as roadblocks, as signs that they should give up. They complain, they blame their circumstances, and they convince themselves that success is only for the lucky ones. But those who truly succeed in life see challenges differently. They see them as opportunities to grow, to learn, to become stronger. They understand that the most valuable lessons are hidden inside the toughest moments. Think about a time when life tested you. Maybe you failed an exam, lost an opportunity, or faced rejection. At that moment, it felt like the end of the world. You questioned yourself, doubted your abilities, and maybe even thought about giving up. But if you look back now, you will realize that experience taught you something. Maybe it made you work harder. Maybe it forced you to change your strategy. Or maybe it revealed a weakness that you needed to overcome. No challenge is meaningless if you are willing to learn from it. Life will not always go according to your plan. There will be moments when things fall apart, when nothing makes sense, when you feel like all your efforts are wasted. But remember, success is not about avoiding failure. It is about learning how to rise after every fall. Every successful person you admire today has faced rejection, disappointment, and moments of doubt. The only difference is they did not let those moments define them. They used them as stepping stones to grow. Challenges are the greatest teachers. They push you out of your comfort zone and force you to evolve. Imagine if life was always easy. Would you ever grow? If everything came to you without effort, would you ever develop resilience, creativity, or strength? Growth comes from struggle. Strength is built in the moments when you feel like giving up but choose to keep going. The problem is not the challenge. The problem is how we react to it. Most people see failure as proof that they are not good enough. But successful people see failure as feedback. They analyze what went wrong, they make adjustments, and they try again. They understand that failure is not the opposite of success, it is a necessary part of it. Look at the most successful entrepreneurs, athletes. None of them got there without facing obstacles. They failed more times than most people even tried. They lost money, made mistakes, faced rejection, and struggled for years. But they learned from every experience, adapted, and kept going. That is why they succeeded. Your mindset towards challenges determines everything. If you see them as personal attacks, you will feel helpless. But if you see them as lessons, you will become unstoppable. Start asking yourself, what is this teaching me? Instead of feeling defeated, look for the lesson. Instead of complaining, find a way to grow. Every challenge has a purpose. It is shaping you into the person you need to become to achieve your dreams. Do not run away from struggle. Embrace it. Learn from it. Grow through it. Because the moment you start seeing challenges as lessons, your entire life changes. You stop fearing failure, you stop doubting yourself, and you start realizing that every obstacle is just another opportunity to rise. Discipline is the bridge between dreams and reality. It is not motivation, luck, or result of daily habits, daily sacrifices, and daily discipline. Most people start with excitement. They set big goals, make promises to themselves, and feel motivated for a few days. But then, reality hits. The motivation fades. The early mornings, the long hours, the sacrifices. It all starts to feel too much, and instead of pushing through, they quit. They say, I'll start tomorrow, or it's too hard. That is why so many people never achieve their full potential. Not because they are not capable, but because they are not disciplined enough to stay committed. Discipline means showing up even when you don't feel like it. It means waking up early when your body wants to sleep, studying when you'd rather watch TV, working on your goals when no one is watching. It means keeping your promises to yourself, even when no one is holding you accountable. Because at the end of the day, success is not about what you do once in a while. It is about what you do every single day. Think about the best athletes in the world. They do not train only when they feel motivated. They train when they are tired, when they are in pain, when they don't feel like it. They understand that discipline is not about feelings, it is about commitment. The same applies to anyone who wants to succeed in any area of life. Whether you want to build a business, master a skill, or improve yourself, you must be disciplined enough to do the work no matter what. One of the biggest mistakes people make is waiting for motivation. They say, I'll start when I feel ready, or I just need the right inspiration. But the truth is, motivation is unreliable. It comes and goes. You cannot build your future on something that is temporary, but discipline is solid. Discipline stays when motivation disappears. Discipline keeps you moving forward when everything else in you wants to stop. The key to developing discipline is to stop making excuses. If you want something bad enough, you will find a way. If you do not, you will find an excuse. People who succeed are not the ones who have the most time, energy, or resources. They are the ones who decide that no matter what, they will do what needs to be done. They wake up early, they practice, they fail, they get up, and they try again. They train their minds to push past laziness, distractions, and comfort. Another important part of discipline is self-control. Successful people do not let their emotions control their actions. They do not let temporary pleasures destroy their long-term goals. They say no to distractions, no to things that waste their time, and no to anything that does not help them grow. They understand that every choice they make is shaping their future. If you want to change your life, start by building discipline. Stop waiting for the perfect moment. Stop making excuses. Just start. Show up every day, even if it's uncomfortable, even if you're tired, even if you don't feel like it. Because every time you push yourself beyond your limits, you grow stronger. And the stronger you become, the closer you get to success. Growth begins the moment you decide that you are not a finished product. The moment you believe that you know everything, that you have done enough, that you have reached your limit, that is the moment you stop growing. The truth is, life never stops teaching. And if you want to succeed, you can never stop learning. Those who achieve the greatest success are not the ones who were born talented or lucky. They are the ones who never stop improving themselves, never stop challenging their own thinking, and never stop working on becoming better every single day. The problem with most people is that they think learning only happens in school. They believe that once they have a degree or a job, their education is complete. But life is the greatest school of all. And every single day is an opportunity to grow. The most successful people in the world read, learn new skills, seek new experiences, and constantly push themselves to become wiser, stronger, and more capable. They understand that success is not about what you have done, it is about what you continue to do. The moment you stop growing, you start falling behind. The world is changing every single day. New ideas, new technologies, new opportunities. Everything is evolving, and if you refuse to grow with it, you will be left behind. That is why it is not just important but necessary to have a mindset of continuous learning. You must be hungry for knowledge, for self-improvement, for progress. You must wake up every day with a desire to be better than you were yesterday. Growth does not happen by accident. It happens when you actively seek it. That means making learning a part of your daily routine. Read books that challenge your thinking. Listen to people who have achieved what you want to achieve. Surround yourself with those who inspire you to grow. And most importantly, apply what you learn. Knowledge without action is useless. Growth happens when you take what you have learned and use it to change your life. One of the most powerful things you can do for yourself is to adopt the mindset of a student. A student does not fear failure because they understand that mistakes are part of learning. A student does not get comfortable because they know there is always more to discover. A student does not let ego get in the way because they are open to new perspectives, new ideas, and new ways of thinking. If you want to keep growing, you must always be a student. No matter how much you know, there is always more to learn. There will be people who say, "Why are you always reading? Why are you always trying to improve? Just relax." But remember this: growth is a choice. Most people choose comfort over growth. They choose to stay the same because it is easier. But the few who choose to keep growing, keep learning, keep evolving, they are the ones who achieve greatness. Your future depends on what you do today. If you want to succeed, make growth a daily habit. Never stop learning. Never stop improving. Never stop pushing yourself beyond your limits. Because the moment you decide to keep growing, you become unstoppable. Success is not about luck, talent, or circumstances. It is about the choices you make every single day. It is about the mindset you develop, the habits you build, and the effort you put in when no one is watching. Those who rise above the rest are not the ones who had an easy path. They are the ones who refused to settle, who pushed through challenges, who stayed disciplined when others gave up. They are the ones who never stopped growing, never stopped learning, and never stopped believing in their ability to become more. If you want to change your life, you must first change yourself. You must decide that you are capable of more, that you deserve more, and that you will not let fear, doubt, or failure stop you. Every great success story starts with a single decision, the decision to try, to start, to take that first step. And once you take that step, you must be willing to keep going, no matter how hard it gets. The world will always have opinions. People will doubt you, question you, and tell you that your dreams are impossible. But remember, their words do not define you. Your actions do. The best way to prove them wrong is through your success. Stay silent, stay focused, and let your results speak for themselves. This journey will not be easy. There will be setbacks, disappointments, and moments when you feel like giving up. But those who succeed are not the ones who never fall. They are the ones who always get back up. So keep going, keep growing, and never stop pushing yourself toward greatness. Because one day, the same people who doubted you will be the ones who tell your story.